Hey everyone, Grayson from Wild Tank Farms, and today I want to give you some tips and tricks on building your own nuc boxes. I'm not going to give you the exact measurements because easily there are so many videos online of how building nuc boxes. I'm just going to give you some tricks and tips on building your nuc boxes. First tip is to build your entrance in the box. Usually your nuc box is 9 5/8 deep, but instead you can build it 10 inches deep and add the entrance in your box. As you can see here, how you make the entrance, you can use two things. You can use a router table with your router, or you can use a jigsaw, which both work extremely well for making entrances, and they do real good. The second thing to notice on bee boxes is the rabbet joints or the box joints. In particular, in my mind, I think the rabbet joints are much more easier. To make it more simple, usually on your rabbet joint for the frame, it's usually about 5/8 deep, but instead we use 3/4 on each side, because 3/4 is on this side. To make it simple, we do it on each 3 sides, and then we do our entrances. Or you can do box joints, which are a little more extreme to do. It takes more practice and skill, more time to get it perfect. So I prefer the rabbet joint. The rabbet joint is extremely well for building your nuc boxes, and it only takes a few times to get it right and correct. The last thing to notice is the bottom board, which extremes goes with the entrance as well. Our entrance is built into the box, so therefore we take a board, same thing, and just put it on our bottom, and we nail it into it, which is extremely easy to do. You just cut out to right length, whatever length works for you, whatever you're building. If you're building 2 frame, 7 frame, maybe even 10 frame, there's all different designs, but this is just a design we followed. It's kind of similar to Bob Benny's, but a little different. So if you want to do an easy, simple method, this is an easy, simple method to follow. You may be thinking that the entrance is a little more harder, but either way you're going to build it, it's still going to add some stuff on it. You can either make a simple cut with a jigsaw or a router table, or you can go the extra way on making your bars, which extreme do that 3/8 gap as well for your nuc boxes. The nuc boxes are always great to use. What are some common uses for nuc boxes are splitting. You can even sell your own nuc boxes. If you build your own nuc boxes, put the bees in it, sell them. They turn out great. This is our second attempt. It came out perfect. In my mind, it looks real good. They do extremely well. This is just the method that we use, and these are just a few tips and tricks to make your nuc box building so much easier, and you don't have to go the long way in building your nuc boxes. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to consider to subscribe and leave a comment. Comments are always great. Hope you enjoyed this small, quick lesson on tricks and tips for building your own nuc boxes. I'm sorry I didn't give you all the measurements, but there's so many YouTube videos online. Just Google how to build nuc boxes. It'll pop right up, different methods, like Bob Benny's method, Kim Reynolds' method. There's so many methods online to choose from. These are just some tips to go along with it. Some easy ways for your entrance, easy ways for your sides, maybe box joints, or the rabbet joints are even similar and easier in my mind. Well guys, thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.